Honda Highness is the latest two-wheeler offering by the Japanese automaker in the Indian market. Highness CB350 is Honda's big ticket this year as it forays into the retro cruiser segment in India. We'll have more for you once we pay a visit to the Big Wing dealership. For now, here's everything there's to know about the motorcycle. The 350cc cruiser pays homage to the bike maker's legacy and brings the perfect combination between classic style and modern aesthetics. This offering is expected to strike a chord with the Indian audience as the Honda Highness CB350 has been tailor-made for Indian roads. The Honda Highness will be introduced in India first and will slowly make its way to other global markets. The bookings were parallelly initiated as the motorcycle was showcased in the virtual launch. Honda Highness CB350 will be available in the automaker's Big Wing outlets in Gurugram, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Kochi and Bhilai from October 1st. The cruiser will make it to the other dealerships by the beginning of the festive season. The Honda Highness CB350 is going to be priced somewhere around Rs 1.90 lakh ex-showroom. The price tag is quite decent, but it still is higher than other 350cc motorcycles on Indian roads. The direct rivals to the Honda Highness CB350 are Royal Enfield Classic 350, Royal Enfield Bullet 350, Jawa Perak, and the upcoming Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Highness CB350 costs dearer than most of its rivals in India. The Honda Highness CB350 will be offered in two variants, DLX and DLX Pro. Both the variants imbibe the timeless design of the automaker and inherit the legacy of the CB range. The Highness CB350 becomes the third BS6 CB offering in India. Both the variants are powered by a 350cc OHC single-cylinder engine with PGM FI technology. The motorcycle offers a torque of 30 Nm with ultimate sense of controllability. The rich CB DNA clearly reflects in the comfort the motorcycle offers in both daily use or long road trips. The Honda Highness has a design that strikes the perfect balance between Honda's classic character and the new age style adopted by the bike maker. The Highness CB350's design language is quite unique and has a modern yet retro appeal. When it comes to comfort and convenience, the Highness CB350 tries to stay ahead of the curve with some best in segment features like Honda Selectable Torque Control, Honda Smartphone Voice Control System, Assistant Slipper Clutch, Full LED Package, Advanced Digital Analog Speedometer. Apart from these features, the Highness also comes with dual channel ABS, engine start stop button, dual horn and a dual seat. Honda eyes expansion with this new segment entry. The Honda Highness CB350 comes as a bid to take the Big Wing dealership in India to the next level. We hope that the performance of the bike is as exciting as its looks. Stay tuned and we'll have more for you once we pay a visit to the Big Wing dealership soon.